2300 peak watts/1800 running watts, capable of up to 4.8 hours of operation at half load on 1.18 gallons of fuel, compact suitcase design, weighing less than 47 pounds for easy handling. Stable sine wave technology provides pure, safe electrical power for powering and charging laptops, cell phones, and other sensitive electronic devices. Ideal for tailgating, camping, and small 120V appliances, the G2319N portable inverter generator produces 300 peak/1,800 running of power is capable of up to 4.8 hours of operation at half load on just 1.18 gallon of fuel. Its exceptionally lightweight, but extremely durable design is perfect for outdoor power entertainment use. Features like the dual 120V outlets, 12V cigarette outlet, direct connect USB port provide you with pure, safe electrical power perfect for cellular devices, laptops, other mobile devices. Quiet inverter technology with parallel capability make the G2319N an economical, reliable choice in power source for your next adventure or outdoor event. Customer ratings by feature: value for money, 4.6 star, maneuverability, 4.4 star, noise level, 4.3 star, lightweight, 4.2 star.